that Corona.
Wow.
No, you can see spots up there. No, because they're back here. You should see spots up there. This is on the ring. She's the darkest we've ever got.
Wow.
Wow. Wow.
1, 2, 3.
Wow. Wow.
Here.
What?
Oh, look at the Corona, Eric.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, look at them. And then the beads. The little red beads. You see those? The little red beads. Little red beads. Oh, I see. There's some red stuff.
That's the top right.
And also about 3 o'clock.
That's 3 o'clock. Okay, now we're going to diamond ring on that. It'll be on the upper right. Just don't come right up to now you can see prominences now.
Oh, timer's up. It's about to,
Yep.
get ready.
Yeah, it's brightening. It's brightening on the one side.
Stop looking directly at it.
It goes.